Welcome, and for now is a Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable Google Backup. So to get started, let's make sure that we're actually connected to Wi-Fi, which I am, okay? And from there, let's go into the settings, and then scroll down to sync right here, and then tap on add account. Then tap on Google. And from here you can log in using your existing email address or phone number, or also create a new account at the bottom, as you can see. So I already have an account and I'm gonna use it. Info 1. And let's go the next step where I'm gonna put in the password. So let me do that off the screen. And the next thing we should see is the welcome screen, nothing like welcoming screen of terms of services from Google. So let's just tap on I agree and then accept. And you will see your account now over here. So once you tap on it, you will get basically everything that is being synced right now to this account. And it does basically mean that everything that is connected with this account, so other devices that are on the same account, will be getting data synced between them. So if you add a new contact on this device, it will also appear on a different device that is on the same Google account. And you can also disable some stuff if you don't want them to be synced, for instance like calendar or contacts, so you can exclude those to be only on this device instead of being synced between. And yeah, that's basically it. You can cancel syncing, so if it's doing something right now, and you should be able to also tap and to turn it off and turn it back on to basically sync it manually at the moment. And that is how you would enable the Google Backup. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.